from the floor of the CME Group on Friday, Employment Day, November 5th. Top-notch trading back for the first time in a while. Just coming back because some of you guys out there have all the questions. I come up here with Mr. Top Step. Danny and I profess not to have all the answers, but we have some keen insight. And so for you guys that are at home that are Mr. Know-it-alls, that know it all, just get back to me and let me know how much you do know. So I've said my piece. KMA, everybody. Anyway, today, the S&P now has rallied. 23.5 was its upside daily fib objective. We got a high of 24.20 now. I would like to see it trade back below its opening range of 19, and if it does and goes 16 offer, we're going to be looking for 12.07 even today at some point. Gut says these things are so overbought, thanks to you, government, like QE2. I mean, how much more can we take of this? They're so fat, overbought, but how can you fight City Hall? Anyway, Gut says we're looking for 12.07 in the SPOO. The NASDAQ has now triple topped at 91 even. If they go, I can't see why they don't want to look for 62. And so on. Other than that, you have a good weekend and be nice to each other. Have a good day. Troy's coming on with a couple words to say.
Morning. This is Troy Mertz from the Florida CME Group for today's Mr. Top Step update. Today, our update is about government intervention, government participation in markets, from Bank of Japan intervention, overnight last night actually buying stock ETF funds and real estate investment trust funds, to the Fed doing their QE2. There was obviously, coming out of the G20 that was about a month ago, the meeting, there was obviously certain widespread panic on the government part to firm things up and try to push things in a different direction. Today, to report what's been trading in the pits and how they're acting, you've seen some very strong put 1x5 volume trading. When a customer does a 1x5, it would be like a November 1140, November 1210 put 1x5. They'll buy the 1210 puts and finance that transaction with 5 of the 1140 puts. Those trades have been happening for 2 days now. Very strong volume. So look for the 1210 area in the S&Ps for the November contract, which goes off in a couple months. They have some pretty good action there. That being said, there's very strong sentiment in the market to move higher, at least in the near term. Our gap trade the other day was contract high 1206. We closed at 1195, 97 area, and gap opened the next day with the low being 1206. So we get below that 1210 area in S&Ps, which is a big strike in the put 1x5 area. Then you'll get momentum building below 1210 to fill the gap down to the 1195 area and possibly 1185. But for now, there's full steam ahead to the upside, with 12.5 being the objective in the near term.